Hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. This is a Lincoln, and the reason I'm filming this, not just the fact that it is an amazingly pink and white Lincoln, is you can learn something from this car. See those tubes there? Right there, those tubes? Those are air conditioning tubes. The air conditioner in these cars was in the trunk. You can see inside the rear window there. And then there's those vents in the ceiling. This is before they had the air conditioning equipment under the dash. So the cold air came in from a trunk-mounted fan and was blown in through those plastic tubes. Those are always on titanium, and those are really cool. That's how air conditioning worked in the 50s, y'all.